Good morning. So I have just left the hostel. It's just behind me. Just this building here. Um, yeah, probably the best experience I've had staying in a hostel so far. The people are absolutely lovely. Gave me some advice. I'm gonna do Crib Goch and Snowdon today. Hopefully do Crib Goch depending on the weather. It is really sunny. It is a little bit breezy, which is obviously the main concern. And then it's only about actually 20 minutes from here to what to Dino, not Dino, into Warwick, I think we're in, and then we're gonna travel down to Penny Pass, which is the start of the route. So we're gonna head down there now, and hopefully it's gonna be pretty decent, and hopefully I'll get parked up. Hello, so I have started the trail. I'm on the pig trail at the moment, going to the Crib Goch. I couldn't park at the car park by the youth hostel as it was very busy, so I had to go back down to the little village at the bottom of the path and do the park and ride and get the bus up. It was £3 for the return, so it actually wasn't too bad. Look at the views. Oh, there's the pass just over there, if you can see. Just making our way up now. Look at the mountain in the distance there. Absolutely stunning. So Crib Goch is, I think, 921 metres, if I'm not wrong. And then we're going to make our way to, hopefully, to the summit of Snowdon, which is about an extra 100 metres or so. Hello, I'm still on the pig path. We are coming up to the junction where you either continue on the pig track or you go over Crib Goch, and I think I can actually just see it, which is amazing. I'm going to follow along. Wow. Oh my god. So we are now on the trail up to Crib Goch, which is a little bit boggy on this bit actually, only a little puddle. But here's the sign for it. Crib Goch. Yes. Actually had a little break, took some photos, had some water, composed myself ready for the big one, and here we are. Dun dun dun. Save on paying for sound effects. Oh my god. So I'm actually going to do a little bit of a scramble up here. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, the path kind of fades away just here, and then you kind of come on to like this little scrambly section which is right here. So I'm going to kind of scramble up, try and do my best on my feet, and then probably have to use a few of my hands. But this route is a grade one scramble. You can kind of see a little bit more of the peak just over in the distance there as well. With the sun kind of coming round, it is beaming down today, but it is quite windy as well, so got to be very careful going across that ridge. With it being quite dangerous along Crib Goch, I never actually done that much filming, obviously for safety reasons, but here's some mobile phone footage that I managed to capture along the way. Like, just listen to that wind. There's probably about 45 to 55 mile per hour gusts at some points. So I have just completed Crib Goch, which is just behind. Well, I'm actually still on it. It is very windy. I followed a lovely guy called Josh. Because quite a few people turned back because it was too windy, but I'd made it that far, so I was like, I need to carry on. So I'm out of breath, but absolutely amazing, like spectacular. It's Christ. Oh, yeah, I'm not done with vlogging because I'm just, like I said, absolutely out of breath, but amazing. Oh my god, I don't know if you can hear that wind, but it's so windy up here. Oh my god, take out and listen to my breath away. It is so windy. Right, so I'm literally on the top. It's kind of leveled out a little bit now. Still not made it to the top of Snowdon. I'm actually exhausted, not mentally but physically exhausted. Like, my legs hurt, my back hurt. I'm literally just scrambled up a mountain. Oh my god, I've just sat down on the last bit of my water, but if you could just see behind me this slope just here, I can't believe I've literally just scrambled straight up that. Like, I'm actually like mind blown. I'll spin it round so you can kind of see a little bit better and maybe zoom in, but this is so you've got the path which is just down at the bottom, but that's the pig path there, as you can see. But then I went like up here and literally scrambled straight up this slope onto this top bit, and genuinely I can't believe I done that there. Like I said before, I'm literally out of breath, but I can see the summit. It's just over there. Also, the railway is just to the right of me there. Don't know if you can hear it, but there's a helicopter around the summit, a rescue helicopter obviously. So it seems like there might have been some sort of accident or some sort of rescue going on. And I do quite like a helicopter, but hope the people are alright. Oh, it seems to have gone now. So, where's it gone? you can hear the helicopter. The peak is literally just there behind me, but I want to have a look at this helicopter. Oh my god! Christ! Whoa! Look! Hello from Snowdon. We are about to make the final little descent. Oh my god. Straight up. Oh, here we are. Oh my god. I actually can't believe it. Genuinely. It's so windy. Christ. Oh, I've done it all the way along this, right along that ridge. Christ, I'm gonna turn around because that wind, I don't even know if you can even hear me. Oh my god. Yeah, gonna quickly grab a selfie and then get off here because it is so windy. But I did it! Ah! Oh my god, I am heading down now. I cannot tell you how happy I am, and actually how proud I am to have got to the highest point in the world. Like I always forget that like it's so exhausting and so tiring, but actually when you get like to the top and you see the view, you just completely forget how much effort and went into getting up there. It's now like 5 PM, so I'm going to take the other route down to, I don't think it's called Lambury, I don't know what it's called, down to the village down at the bottom where my car's parked at the park and ride, because like I said earlier, I did get the bus up, so I am going to get the bus back down there. I've got my hood up because it's freezing, my hands are cold, like genuinely the wind chill is so cold, like that wind needs to just do on. But yeah, what an achievement, what a day, what a life, like seriously. Like I want to remember this day for the rest of my life because I'm actually just so happy right now. Yeah, amazing. Like the view on the way down again, like just look at that, like the fact, just look, like come on, like actual, just come on man, look at that, like absolute mad. I'm also not, I don't care, but it's beautiful, it is beautiful. This is the life. So we are pretty much down. Still got a little bit to go, not too far, probably about 10-15 minutes or so. Of course there's like a big puddle and stuff right here, isn't there? There's always something, there's always bloody something. There's always something, Bob, as my dad would say. I'm just gonna have to take a little bit of a detour. Oh, right, the car park, the park and ride, which is just over there. I can see the vehicle, so that's just over there. I can see the big quarry as well in front. So confused as to where the bridge has gone. As you can probably tell by my face how happy and excited I was to complete Crib Goch and Snowdon. Like genuinely, what a massive achievement for me personally. After this I went into the little village to a hostel called The Heights that does food, so I went there and got some really nice steak pie and chips, and then I booked in to Dinorwig Lodge Hostel, which was where I stayed the night before. I had such a great time there, so I thought, you know what, it'd be stupid not to go back there again. So off I went to bed because honestly I was knackered.